So, today I am going to show you the process of modeling a glass bottle. First thing first, I need a reference. So, let's add reference image. You can see the image was placed according to view. But I need it in 90° in x-axis perfectly. To do so, first I am pressing Alt plus R. Then N to open transform property and changing the x value to 90. Now let's move the reference in y-axis then z-axis to create some space or cylinder. Scale up a little bit. Again reposition like this. Then add cylinder. Because cylinder will be the base object to model a bottle. By clicking on -y, I can see the front view of reference as well as cylinder. Let's align the cylinder to a suitable position using Move tool and Scale tool. To zoom the viewport, use the mouse scroll. To pan, use Shift plus middle mouse button. To rotate viewport, use middle mouse button only. Now the cylinder is in perfect position. It's time to go to Edit mode. Select Face mode. Then select top face and delete. Again select bottom face and delete like this. Now it's time to modify the cylinder as per the reference. But always remember to activate toggle X-ray. It will allow you to select through items. Now select Edge mode and select the edges by left mouse click and drag. Press E to extrude the selected edge. Press Z to lock the extrude in Z axis only. Now move the mouse to appropriate position and press Enter to confirm the extrusion. Then press S to scale with mouse movement like this and press Enter to confirm scale. To align the edges with reference, I need some extra edges here. So, let's apply loop cut by pressing Ctrl plus R. Here I need to press Enter twice. First Enter will apply loop cut and second Enter will confirm the loop cut in desired position. Then I am scaling the selected edges by pressing S. I have already discussed the scaling process previously. Do not forget to check the shape of the model frequently. Let's repeat the process of adding loop cut and scaling till getting desired shape. Again extrude the top edges. Apply loop cut and scale to match the reference. Follow the same process for bottom part also. While the bottom edge is selected, press F to fill the hole. Use Inset tool to inset more edges at bottom. By pressing Alt and clicking on one edge, we can select the entire edges in loop. Now use bevel tool and drag this yellow dot like this to apply bevel. In bottom left corner operator panel will appear. Click the small arrow and increase the segments till edges get a rounded shape. While the inner edges are selected at bottom, choose Vertex Selection Mode. Right-click, go to Snap Vertices and click on Selection to Grid. Now adjust the edges thoroughly to match the reference. Use Loop Cut process to add more edges at bottom like this. At this point, I no longer need the reference. So, let's hide it by clicking the I button here. Activate Toggle X-ray. Loop select these edges and move them upward using Move tool. Follow the steps for selecting and moving the edges upward like this. Go to Vertex Selection Mode, select Center Vertices and move them upward like this. Now my base bottle model is ready. But still it needs some refinement and adjustment. Let's go to Object Mode. To add some thickness to this, select Modifier, go to Generate and click on Solidify. Increase the thickness value as per the requirement. Now again click on Add Modifier, go to Generate and click on Subdivision Surface to make the model smoother. Increase the level's viewport value to match the render value. We can see the smoothness in model. To adjust these unwanted extra smoothness, we need some extra loop cuts. Let's go to Edit mode and add some loop cuts and adjust them to refine the model. After the necessary adjustments, go to Object Mode. For extra smoothness, right-click on the model and click on Shade Smooth. In this tutorial, we learned how to model a bottle. In next tutorial, I will show you how to apply a glass material and lights to our scene. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe and like.